guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have an amazing day. As you can see, we've got some amazing new summer essentials that I can't wait to show you. This is a huge haul, so yeah guys, I cannot wait to share what I've got to show you guys, but I have already opened it a little bit because I just wanted to have a little peek inside to see, to double check. Okay, so yeah guys, I hope you enjoy this video and keep watching. So guys, as you can see, I'm on a new setup. I have transferred my office into my room now because my little one has taken over the room now. So now I have got my nice little desk in front of me, and it's just really nice to actually speak to you this way now, guys. So yeah guys, we're gonna dive in of what I've got because yeah, this is like super excited, a really big haul guys. So yeah, let me show you what I've got. So we're gonna start with some Space NK because that shop is amazing and they have some amazing new products out now. They have the new collection of the Summer Society. If you haven't checked it out guys, definitely go to it because oh my god, the colors are just amazing. And yeah guys, I just cannot wait to show you. So we're gonna open this. Well, I've already opened it, but so this is what I've got from Space NK, and these are the Summer Society collection, and guys, the colors are just amazing. So as you can see, I have ordered a new makeup bag. So these are the pastel colors, so this comes in a nice mini size. And yeah guys, I'm just obsessed with the colors. So yeah, the small one is £16, and yeah, as soon as I saw this I thought, yep, I have to have literally all the collection guys, honestly. So this is the smaller size. I did order this online, so with this you do get some free samples. So in the samples that I've got, I have some nice new hair mask and some Summer Friday cream. So yeah, this is super nice. I cannot wait to try this. So yeah, super happy. And then also I've ordered the lemon. How nice is this guys? The lemon color is just amazing. And yeah, got two free samples from here. So the medium one, this cost £26. And guys, the Summer Society in Space NK, you literally have to get all the colors. You cannot just get one guys, trust me. So I do need to want to get the pink one. I have ordered the bag, the Summer Society bag, and I cannot wait to have that. So I did get the samples of the Salty Janeiro one, the purple one. So and yeah, I do want to try this. I haven't had the chance to actually get this one. So yeah, I know this smells amazing. And I got more hair masks because I'm obsessed with hair masks. So yeah, I got these. So yeah, I think these are super cute, you know, really nice for travel. If you are going away, summer vacations, like these makeup bags are the one to really have in your must-have summer essentials, because trust me guys, these are going to come with me everywhere. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And then also I've ordered another set of the size, but some of the different colors. So another one from Space NK. I got the medium size in the mint color. So as you can see, I have some of the sizes now. I have to get it guys, it's just amazing. I'm absolutely obsessed with these. So yeah, I've got the medium size. So in this one, I did go to Sephora, so I just ended up putting some of the stuff in here. So I got this from Sephora. I've got the hair repair mask. So this is this is actually a strengthening conditioner. So I got that one from Sephora. Had to get this one. And then I've ordered this from Amazon. So this is the EOS lip balm. Definitely had to get this, because it's nice and beigey color. It definitely goes nice with the nice lemon color. So yeah, this is literally what I've got. So yeah guys, I am super excited. The actual range from Space NK is just amazing. So yeah, so these are the colours, and then I've got another lemon colour. I am super happy. As you can see, I've got my whole collection here. So I do want to get the pink one, so that will be the next one on the list. So yeah, perfect for summer holidays, vacations. Throw it in your bag if you really want to keep your beauty products organised. These are the go-to and must-have. on to the next one, because there is quite a few here, guys. So another thing that I've got from Sephora is the mini travel set Ouai St. Bart's. Like, the smell is absolutely luxurious, refreshing, and you guys, this has to be on your must-have list for traveling. Beach vibes, exotic, luxury, and if you love coconut like me, this is the one. But this does have a bit of dragon fruits in here, and yeah, guys, it's absolutely smells amazing. I'm gonna need a bit of a close-up here for you guys. Like, I love the packaging. I am obsessed with these mini travel kits. I don't know why. I feel like I love collecting them. But yeah, these cute mini travel sets is amazing. It does come with this really nice little kit. So yeah, I'm gonna go through with you what's inside. So we have the Ouai buttercream. I don't know if you can see that, but guys, this smells absolutely amazing. It just feels like you really are on a beach, and yeah, so this cream is so amazing. You can really smell it as soon as you open the lid, and it really has a really nice texture. As you can see here, a really nice texture, perfect on your skin, very hydrating, very nice and rich. So this is definitely a must-have for your travel set. So yeah, I'm super happy, and I'm going to do a little bit of a tester. You can really just see the nice gloss and the nice shine to it as soon as you really add it onto your skin, and you can really smell the luxury from this. And it's definitely coconutty, dragon fruit. Amazing, guys. This definitely has to be in your little must-have summer essentials. I feel like I do get a lot for the summer products, because they really do have amazing new ranges out this year. So yeah, definitely a must-have. So I am obsessed with this. I cannot wait to use this. And then we have the Ouai hair and body mist, as you can see there. This smells amazing. Spray it all in your hair, anything on the go. This is just a perfect one. Put it in your bag, or in your little makeup kit. This smells amazing. You can really smell the nice coconutty, and you know what, it really does make you feel like you're in Bali. Like, this is definitely a must. So yeah, I cannot wait to be using this. So this is perfect in my travel set. So then we have the body cleanser. So this comes in with this. This is amazing. So I cannot wait to try this. Really does lather really nice onto your skin. I did see some previews on TikTok seeing what it looks like, and I thought I had to get it. So I definitely want the other set of the shampoo, conditioner, and the hair mask. I do have the Ouai hair mask that is super nice and perfect. And then another range from the Ouai is that I got the scalp and body scrub, guys. This, cannot wait to use this. So these are really nice, like crystals, sugar. Yeah, so it's a blend of sugar, coconut oil that can really cleanse into your scalp. You can really have it into your body, but if you having all these build up in your scalp, this is a perfect one to really cleanse that. So yeah, as you can see, so yeah, I'm obsessed with this. I cannot wait to use this. As you can see, you can really feel the nice texture. It's nice and thick, and it's really refreshing, guys. I cannot wait to use this. They do have it in a nice travel set. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get the travel size to this. So I do have the hair mask. So yeah, I usually add that on last. But yeah, guys, this is perfect. But yeah, I am obsessed with the Ouai range. This has definitely always been on my list. So yeah, as you can see, my nice little mini kit of the Ouai. Next up, guys, is the Sol de Janeiro, the body balada. Oh my god, this smells amazing. This has just came out, and guys, the texture when you really add it to your skin is just amazing. Like I said, it's the classic Chirose 62, and you can never get enough. You can never get enough of the Sol de Janeiro brands on all the different types of ranges. Like, super nice and moisturized. So I'm gonna add a little bit on my skin here, and you can really see, I don't know if you can really see the nice shine to it. So yeah, you can really see how nice and hydrated it is onto your skin. And guys, as soon as you add it onto your skin, it's just super smooth, super soft, definitely hydrated. So yeah, I had to get this, guys. So it definitely has enriched vitamin K and E, hyaluronic acid. Yeah, definitely smooths all over into your skin. So yeah, this has just came out, so definitely grab yourself a pair of this if you want to feel like you're on holiday. This is a go-to. And then last but not least, guys, I have the new body essentials. And guys, this just came out. This is from Space NK. This is £45, and you really do get all your nice little essentials in here. I got this because I really wanted the canvas bag. As you can see, very summery, definitely giving me nice beachy vibes. And guys, you can never have enough of all these, the classic 62 Chirose. This, yeah, so guys, as you can see here, definitely comes with all the nice little essentials, perfect for summer. So yeah, let's see if we can open this. But yeah, guys, as soon as I saw this, I had to get this one. So as you can see, it comes in with this really cute summery bag, guys. Like, how cute is this? Definitely goes well with like wearing like a nice maxi dress or a nice anything summery. This is the perfect go-to for your holiday. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. But yeah, I just wanted it because I just love the bag. So inside you get some from Space NK. You do get some little free examples. So yeah, I got the Kopari moisturizer and another Sol de Janeiro body butter cream. So yeah, I definitely wanted some of these. I definitely want to collect more of these ones. So yeah, I'm obsessed with these little free examples that they give you. It's super cute. And yeah, as you can see, tissue paper, a really nice tissue paper. And then you definitely get the classic 62. And guys, I haven't had a chance to have the full size. I've only just been getting like the smaller size, and I'm absolutely really happy that I've got this one. So yeah, guys, I am super obsessed. So this really goes really nice with the body lotion. You can really add this body lotion and then layer it up with the 62 mist, and you'll be smelling really luxurious. And yeah, guys, you can never have enough of these. I am super obsessed, and it's super nice, really refreshing. But yeah, guys, these two, if you're definitely going to get the Sol de Janeiro, definitely layer it up with the lotion and this, and yeah, it just smells amazing. So yeah, in the bag else, I've also got the 12 milliliters of body oil. How cute is this, guys? I don't know if you can see it, but it's just super cute. You can really add this to your bag anywhere you go. So yeah, I'm super happy that it comes with this. And then also, you can never have enough of the Sol de Janeiro body butter cream. So yeah, I think I've got too many of these, but you can never have enough. So yeah, guys, this is everything. So yeah, really happy for my nice new summer essentials. And I really hope you enjoy the video. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite? Please give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.